Imagine waking up 1 year from now with an extra $10,000 in your bank account. Sounds impossible, right? But what if I told you it's not only possible, it's actually simpler than you think? In the next few minutes, I'm going to reveal how anyone, regardless of income, can make this happen. Ready to turn your financial goal into reality? Let's break it down and get started. Step 1. Break the goal into smaller chunks. When you look at the goal of saving $10,000, it can seem like an overwhelming mountain to climb. But what if you break it into manageable pieces? Instead of thinking about saving the entire amount, consider this: saving $833 a month or even just $27 a day. Suddenly, it doesn't seem so impossible. Actionable tips to get started. Track your spending. Use an app like Mint or YNAB. You need a budget to categorize and track your expenses, helping you find areas to cut back. Set a monthly savings goal. Aim to save a set amount each month. Whether it's $833, $500, or something else, set a realistic figure and stick to it. Create daily savings targets. Instead of seeing $10,000 as a daunting figure, aim to save just $27 a day. This keeps you focused on small wins. Step 2. Visualize your goal. Visualization is a powerful tool. When you have a clear image of what you're saving for, whether it's an emergency fund, a vacation, or paying off debt, it helps you stay motivated. A strong mental picture of your financial success will keep you disciplined and focused. Actionable tips to get started. Create a vision board. Collect images or make a digital collage of your financial goals, dream vacation, home repairs, etc., to keep you motivated. Write down your reasons. Jot down why you're saving. Whether it's securing your future or paying off loans, remind yourself regularly. Visualize your progress. Each time you save, take a moment to visualize yourself closer to your goal. This reinforces positive habits. Step 3. Cut unnecessary expenses. Cutting unnecessary expenses is one of the quickest ways to save more. But don't worry. It's not about being restrictive, it's about making smarter choices. Small adjustments can add up to significant savings. Actionable tips to get started. Skip your daily coffee. Cutting out a $5 coffee every day can save you around $1,800 per year. Brew your coffee at home instead. Carry it in a special decorative travel mug. Meal prep for the week. Stop dining out and instead plan your meals ahead of time. You could save around $3,000 a year by making simple changes like this. This will give you a chance to expand your culinary skills and try out those new recipes. Cancel unused subscriptions, review your bank statements, and unsubscribe from streaming services, gyms, or apps you're no longer using. Step 4. Make extra money with side hustles. One of the most effective ways to reach your $10,000 goal is to earn extra income. You don't have to rely solely on your day job. The side hustle market is booming, and there are countless ways to earn extra cash, whether it's using your skills or selling unused items. Actionable tips to get started. Freelancing. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer are great places to start. Whether you're good at writing, graphic design, web development, or social media management, you can offer your services online. Online tutoring or teaching. Sites like VIPKid or Chegg. Tutors allow you to teach English or other subjects to students around the world, earning extra income from the comfort of your home. Sell unused items. Have things you no longer need? Try selling them on platforms like eBay, Facebook Marketplace, or Poshmark. You can declutter your space and make some extra cash in the process. Be sure to follow the safety guidelines to protect yourself from scammers. Drive for a ride-share service. Uber or Lyft offer flexible hours and allow you to earn money on your schedule. Pet sitting or dog walking. Apps like Rover or Wag let you sign up to care for pets while earning extra income. Bonus. You can bundle this with your daily walk. Rent out your stuff. Platforms like Fat Llama let you rent out things like camera equipment, power tools, or even your car for extra cash. Be sure to protect yourself with legal contracts, proper background checks, identification verification. Step 5. Review your monthly expenses. Reviewing and cutting down on monthly expenses is crucial. When you track where your money is going, you might be surprised at how much can be saved by making small adjustments. Actionable tips to get started. Use coupons and cashback apps. Platforms like Honey and Rakuten offer discounts and cashback on purchases, helping you save while shopping. Limit impulse buying. Start a 24-hour rule. If you're considering a non-essential purchase, wait 24 hours to decide if you really need it. Set spending limits. Create a budget for categories like entertainment or dining out and stick to it. Step 6. Set up automatic transfers to savings. Pay yourself first by setting up automatic transfers to your savings account. By making saving a non-negotiable, automated part of your budget, you ensure you're always putting money aside without even thinking about it. Actionable tips to get started. Set up automatic savings transfers. Use your bank's features or apps like Acorns to automatically transfer a set amount to your savings each month. Treat it like a bill. Set your savings goal as a bill that gets paid before anything else, just like rent or utilities. Use high-yield savings accounts. Look for online banks or credit unions that offer high-interest savings accounts to grow your money over time. Saving $10,000 might seem like a huge challenge, but with the right mindset and strategy, it's entirely possible. By breaking down the goal into smaller chunks, cutting expenses, and finding creative ways to earn extra income, you can reach your target faster than you think. What's your first step going to be? Start today and watch your savings grow. Which tip will you try first? Drop it in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more life-changing tips. 15 money-making secrets turn $100 into $10,000 is the ultimate guide for anyone looking to make their money work harder. Whether you're a beginner or just looking for creative ways to boost your income, this ebook offers 15 actionable strategies to help you turn a small $100 investment into something much bigger. With clear steps, real-world examples, and a motivating tone, you'll be inspired to take control of your financial future and start your journey to success today. Discover 15 creative ways to turn $100 into $10,000. Learn how to leverage your skills, creativity, and resources to build a profitable side hustle or full-time business. Bill Gates and friends started Microsoft while in college, in their garage. You can do it too. Practical, easy-to-follow steps that help you build wealth over time, no matter your starting point. Ready to take the first step toward financial freedom? Click the link in the description box below for instant download plus 2 bonus gifts. Grab your copy now and start your money-making journey.